Hi, it's Miriam Florio. Thanks for joining me for today's webinar on marketing. First, we're going to be looking at quick campaigns and creating marketing lists. So right now I'm logged into CRM and I'm looking at my marketing dashboard, and you can see there's a lot of information associated with marketing campaigns directly on the marketing social dashboard. It gives me a campaign type mix chart, which is giving me all campaigns for the current fiscal year. And you can see here it's color coded, and I can always pop this out and look at the details in another screen. So that just gives me the detail of the exact campaigns for the fiscal year and the status reasons and created dates. I also have what's new, so you can see on the right hand side here it's giving me what's new at our company, campaign versus actual cost by fiscal year. So I'm getting a lot of information about marketing campaigns and the return on investment that we're getting from it, which is important, and I can track all of that inside of Dynamics 365. I also have here campaigns that are listed at the bottom under My Campaigns, and there's other information under the campaigns or marketing section of the system. So if we go to the top menu and we click on the marketing tile, you can see I have work associated with the marketing module inside of Dynamics 365. So I have dashboards, activities, accounts, contacts, anything that could be related to a marketing campaign is available to me here, although you know that you can get to these items from different parts of the system. So the first thing we're going to look at is creating a marketing list. So let's go back to just take a look at our contacts, or you can take a look at the leads in the system, wherever you want to go to find information or create your marketing list. So I can always take my open leads in the system and then add those to a marketing list. So I can select all of these at once, or I can cherry pick and have certain contacts or leads go into that marketing list and some of them to stay behind. So I'm selecting all of them and I'm going to click Add to Marketing List. Now, if I had an existing list, I can always add these folks to that list, but I'm going to actually create a new one on the fly here. So I'll select New. And then we'll give it a name, so we'll call it Summer Promo Group 2017. And we're going to make this list type static. Now remember, there are two types of marketing lists, static and dynamic. Static stays the same, and dynamic can change or update based on the values that you've set to make the marketing list. So in fact, for example, if you had everybody in New York on a list, the dynamic list would be the way to go on that, because you'd want new folks to get added to the list. And so we can always say targeted at, and we're going to say leads. And you can choose other values here, like currency. We're going to say US dollars. The owner is going to be me, Joe at Quanta CRM, and we can give it a bigger description, but we'll just leave this as it is for now and save it. Okay, so now that we've set up the marketing list, you can see here that I can actually add members to it. So we can close this out and we can select Summer Promo and click Add. So we're going to be adding 10 leads to the marketing list, and I'm going to select Add, and those leads will get added. So great, now I have my marketing list set up. I can go ahead and create a quick campaign. So let's do that. Let's go to Marketing and Marketing Lists. And directly from here, we'll just change our view to Active Marketing Lists. And you can see there's the Summer Promo Group 2017 that I just created. So we'll drill into that. And you can see here, I've got the marketing list set up. I have members to this list. Now remember, when you create a marketing list, you can use it for more than one marketing campaign, whether that's a quick campaign or a full-blown campaign. So we're going to start off looking at quick campaigns. And the real big difference between a